I love cashews. I bet you do too. So I wanted to introduce you to a great way to eat your cashews. The cashews are high in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, protein, and guess what? Cashews also help prevent osteoporosis. So I wanted to make something where you can use cashews more often, like for your lunch, for your snack, for your breakfast. I made a cashew butter that is so delicious and super easy to put together. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Here we have it, 1 cup of raw cashews. If you want to use roasted, salted, you can, but if you use the salted, you'll leave the salt out. 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut nectar, which is low glycemic, so if you're diabetic, that's okay, and just a dash of salt. We're gonna blend this all together in the food processor until it's smooth. If you want it chunky, just blend it a little bit less. Let's add all of our ingredients together, okay? We've got our cup of cashews. Now we've got 1/4 cup of coconut oil. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut nectar, a low glycemic sweetener. If you want to add cinnamon after you're finished with this too, that's fine. If you want to have like a cinnamon toast, you can get as creative as you want. And because I don't use salted cashews, I'm going to add just a dash of salt. For me, I'm just using the Himalayan salt because it's got lots of minerals in it. Now we're going to snap the lid on. You're going to have to run it a few times and stir it in between so it gets everything down in there and blends it. Here we go. Wow, look at that. I had to do it about 3 times to take it, open it, and scrape it, but I've got a nice creamy cashew butter. We're gonna take that and we're gonna spread it on our breakfast spread, or this can even be a snack. We're gonna have a beautiful snack here. Look how creamy this is. Just spread that on. If you feel like adding jam, that's fine, but it's just delicious just the way it is. This cashew butter on bread, toast, just eat it by the spoonful. It's so good. Let's try this out because I love it. The taste is perfect. Heaven. Heaven in your mouth. Now that we've tried our cashew butter, I know that you'd be interested in other great recipes. And guess what? Right here in part 2 of Intestinal Health Book, there are so many great recipes. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube, and they're constantly coming in. You're gonna love this food. Easy, fast, and nutritious.